Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the characters used in the community structure. It is study material for 6th semester students. Here we will discuss. We have studied about the community structure. So which characters can be used to study the community structure? There are basically two types of characters, analytical characters and synthetic characters. Analytical characters are basically of two types: quantitative characters, which are expressed in quantitative terms, and a qualitative characters which are expressed only in qualitative way through finally grouped under 5-point scale. When we talk about the quantitative characters, it includes frequency, density, abundance, cover and basal area. First we discuss what is the frequency. If we study any community, then we can calculate the frequency of a particular species which occur in that particular area. For this we apply this formula: frequency is equal to number of sampling unit in which the species occurred divided by total number of sampling units studied multiplied by 100. When we talk about the sampling unit, it is a quadrate. It may be a quadrate, or it will be a transect, or it may be a point. So through this quadrate method, when we calculate the frequency of a particular species, then various species can form a Ronquier's 5 frequency class. They distribute among Ronquier's 5 frequency class. If the frequency calculated is between 0 to 20, it follow frequency class A. If it follow 21 to 40%, it come in class B. If 41 to 60, it come class C, and so on. So there are 5 classes A, B, C, D, E according to percentage of the frequency. When we talk about the density, then density basically represents the numerical strength of a species in the community. When we talk about the numerical strength, then we count the number of individuals of a species in any unit area, that is density. It is calculated through this formula: density is equal to total number of individuals of a species in all sampling units upon total number of sampling units studied. This value thus obtained is then expressed as number of individuals per unit area. Next is abundance. When we talk about the abundance, that is the occurrence of number of individuals of any species in a unit area or unit sampling area. It is calculated as follows: we can say that abundance is equal to total number of individuals of the species in all the sampling unit upon number of sampling units in which the species occurred. And next character is cover and basal area. What is the cover and basal area? We can understand this through a diagram. When we study about the community of forest, there are herbs, shrubs and trees. So below the ground level, how much rooted areas occupy the rooted plants occupy the area, that is the basal area, and herbage portion, green leafy portion occupied by above the ground area, that is called cover. This gives the idea about the how much photosynthesis will be there in the herbs, shrubs and the trees, depending upon the how much herbage portion or green portion is present in the plant. So these are the we have discussed here analytical characters and of qualitative characters. When we have talked about the quantitative characters here. These all are the quantitative characters. So analytical characters are of two types, quantitative and qualitative. Here we have discussed about the quantitative characters through which we can have an idea about the community: how much frequency is there, how much density is there, what is the abundance, what is the cover and what is the basal area. In next lecture we will discuss about the qualitative characters, which is under the head of analytical characters. Thank you.